But me, I had no job. I had no, I believe I had no home. I didn't have a house. I didn't have where to stay. I didn't have anything. So I'm taking my nature walk now. I like to take a walk every evening because I sit on my ass too much for hours every day. Love the weather, uh, and enjoy my nature walk. So while I walk, I just wanted to talk to you guys quickly about, myself, how I started coding, who I am, of course, and just to give like an intro to what we're going to be doing and what I'm going to be doing on my channel. Make sense? Anyway, my name is DJ. I am a self-taught web developer. I consider myself self-taught because I didn't go to school for it and I have no degree for in computer science or anything that has to do with computers. But I do have a passion for computers, and that is why I decided to go into web development. Now, of course, everyone says web development route is the easiest route, but actually, for me, it wasn't so easy. It was very, very difficult for me. I had to sit for hours trying to learn something I had never ever heard of before, or look at code I had never ever written before. So I got up I think it was a Wednesday. Anyway, sometime in 2017, early 2017, I got up, got a computer, paid for it instrumentally. I think it cost me about $200. So I got a $200 laptop. Freaking slow. But anyway, I got that laptop. It was a lifesaver. It was the best thing I'd ever gotten for myself and used. So I got it, and then I jumped online on YouTube first, like most of you. I went on YouTube, started watching videos on HTML. Then, of course, I landed up at freecodecamp.com. And when I landed at freecodecamp.com, then I started trying to code, and it wasn't easy. I remember learning with this guy who couldn't also keep up, and then he just, stopped doing what he was doing. He just said he wasn't going to do that, and then he quit. But me, I had no job. I had no, I believe I had no home. I didn't have a house. I didn't have where to stay. I didn't have anything. But I didn't have anything, and so I didn't have a choice. So I kept pushing. Eventually, I started getting a better understanding of coding. I'm still getting a better understanding of coding. So after a couple of months trying to code, I thought I was the best developer in the whole world, like most of you who might feel that way. You have a long way to go with so little years of experience. So anyway, I kept trying to learn coding, and eventually I did get a job. I did apply for a job. I got jobs, I got job offers here and there. I got the job eventually. When I did get the job, I got the job based on, okay, I'll give you a try. So it wasn't so easy to get the job, but I'll maybe, post another video on how I got the job. Now, one of the things I struggled with as a self-taught developer in my room back in the days was understanding what I was doing and where I wanted to go. So at first, I used to just think I was a coder, a programmer. Point is, I started trying codes out, and then I got a better understanding of what was going on with the DOM. I got a better understanding of the languages. So currently, right now, I work with a couple of languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, the basics. A couple of frameworks here and there also did help. I started working with React because at my job, the first thing they did was they said, okay, on the front end of my application, it uses React, and I'm like, React? Mind you, I never knew React, so everything I learned, I never basically used it at my job, because in the real world, you have problems and you have to think of how to solve those problems with code. That's basically it, and every problem is different from the last problem. So if you're considering starting, if you're considering to become a web developer, maybe you want to be, you want to get the job. Maybe you want to, you're old like me, old, like old school. whatever the case may be, you can start coding. That's my point. That's why I posted this video, and that's why I'm starting this channel, so I could also share what I've learned over the years with you guys, so I could share my knowledge with you guys, so I could share my experience also with you guys, because it's it's very important for you to know what you're getting into. It's not an easy industry. Yes, they say there are lots of jobs, but if you're in Africa, there you really don't really get that much offers, or I don't know how it is. But the truth is, it's not going to be so easy. There are those who will quit. There are those who quit. There are those who will tell you you're stupid. There are those who are going to come against you. Even you're going to come against yourself. So I really hope this video goes out there and encourages somebody to go out there and code. And that is Busky. Busky is very, yeah, Busky never likes me.